you got with you?
Good morning. It's the lead singers of the Village People. Hi. This is great. This is what happens when we cook. When we cook, things go down or up. So we maintain.
Look at the look of shame on their
know,
faces.
look at you.
They're like they can't believe they work here with
You're
us.
questioning right now.
Crazy.
Anyway, welcome to Chris in our brand new studio and the kitchen area. We decided to bring in our favorite, and not just one of our favorite chefs, one of my favorite people of all time, the lead singer of Sexual Chocolate. Please welcome Rocco Dispirito, everybody. Rocco Dispirito.
The only chef who's willing to wear a hard hat. Yeah.
Spontaneously.
They checked with everybody.
Okay, can we have some music, please? I need a little oomph. Thank you so much.
We're making a mouth-watering salad
just
today,
take
as
over.
the Chiron would suggest.
Oh, a mouth-watering salad.
It's a mouth-watering salad.
Are we doing a poke bowl?
It's called a poke bowl.
We're doing a poke bowl.
So, by the way, a poke bowl is nothing but a bunch of fish, a bunch of vegetables tossed in a bowl with some salad and some dressing and some stuff on top. Thank you so much.
Hold your hand.
So here, you butcher the salmon.
Okay, but what do I do with this? Wait, the salmon's already butchered,
I want
right?
a quarter. Oh, you noticed that? Okay, cool.
Do you want a quarter?
Then here, you do this. You
what
break
is
up. This is nori paper.
Nori paper.
I'd like you to break it up into small pieces. So remove the packaging.
Let's like crush it.
Yeah, basically crush it. Yeah, like this. Do that.
People are a little intimidated. Well, you have such strong hands.
Can you do that?
Can you give me a back rub like this? Oh, thank you so much. He does. He's so
All
good.
right, so
let's do this.
Here, it's a really simple thing.
Oh, this is fun.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah, I like this.
So the poke bowl that you're paying, $18.95 for at lunch every day is really just this. It's a little bit of fresh salmon or tuna or whatever you want.
You know what my question's going to be.
What's your question? No, I don't.
You're keeping this raw, right?
Yes, this is going to be raw.
How do you know to keep raw salmon? Raw salmon's okay to eat, or tuna? What is this?
How do you know to keep? Okay, so there's something called sushi grade salmon, sushi grade seafood, sushi grade tuna, and it's previously frozen. That's the trick, by the way. If you really don't want to take the risk of eating a little fresh fish, previously frozen will kill anything in there that might hurt you.
Oh, like a can of tuna.
You could use canned tuna if you want
nice
to.
Can of bumblebee.
Then it's just a seafood salad.
It's just a tuna casserole. This is nice.
You have no intention of actually finishing this dish, do you?
No, we never. Do we ever finish anything?
Yeah, sometimes we do. We usually set your house on fire in the intro.
First step, and then second, we don't have any flame near us at all, except for us. We're on
I noticed
fire
they rebuilt this entire place, and there's no cooktop.
No cooktop whatsoever.
Which is a direct message to the both of us.
Exactly. Exactly. Only cold things to match our souls. This is very cathartic. By the way, this has an aroma.
Yes, it's seaweed.
I'm getting a little
pressed into paper. Now
spinning.
just roll it and light it and let's see what happens, okay?
It's legal now, so you can. Okay, what's happening?
That's what everyone who works for me says.
Okay,
cucumber, radish, the dressing, which is soy sauce, sesame oil, lime juice. That's a simple dressing.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it does smell pretty good, right? Yeah, I thought you'd like that. Eventually, I thought you'd notice the food.
Dave, is the overhead camera working yet? Is that working yet, Mike? Ooh, have they gotten that? I haven't even looked up. Okay,
it's really that simple.
Oh, there it is.
It's not an inner mouth camera. We're not at the dentist, okay? We're not trying to get biopsies.
It's the oral cavity camera. Can I dice this up just to make it look like I'm doing something?
Yeah, please look like you're doing something at some point. It would be great.
Okay, dicing this.
It would be great if you did something, right?
Wait,
if you actually
how the heck? Do you have to take the skin off first?
Oh my God, it's too early to explain all this to you.
Wait, are you done?
Almost done.
Wait, why are you going so fast? You didn't even explain.
You told me we have 2 minutes.
No. I tell you that because it's like saying to somebody who always comes late to the party.
Yes.
Oh, it's 45 minutes before.
How'd that work out for you?
Take a breath. Take a breath.
How'd that work out for you?
What's in the dressing? Did
you
explain?
The dressing is, it's sriracha.
Okay.
It's Kewpie mayo.
What is it, mayo?
Ketchup. Kewpie is a Japanese mayo that has like a little bit of extra MSG and egg, and it tastes really good. You look like an old pro there. Not.
You need to sharpen these knives. That's the problem. It's just the knives.
So the poke typically has a couple of dressings and seasonings. I like to do this soy sauce based one for the fish.
Awesome. I love that.
Which is cool, right? Yeah, smell that.
Oh my God, I love that.
That's the sesame oil that's giving it that lovely scent. And then I top it with this mayo-based situation here. And then I'm going to top it with some crispy fried shallots, which you can make yourself or you can buy.
That's what I was going to say. You can find all this stuff, right?
Yeah, you can find this. Is all really easy, And if you have an issue with raw fish, you can use cooked fish.
Right.
And then we're going to top it with
a can of tuna.
Yeah.
Can you plug yourself, please?
Plug myself?
Something that you're going to be doing.
Yeah. So I'm on a cool show called Super Chef Grudge Match, hosted by Darnell Ferguson on Food Network. I would love it if you guys watched it. It'd be make me really happy. How about that?
Put the helmet back on and do it
again. Put it back on?
Put it back on and do it again.
Do it again.
Can we get that one shot? Yeah. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I'm on a show called Super Chef Grudge Match on Food Network. Please watch. It would really make me happy.
Okay, what are we doing the next hour? Do a super tease.
The next hour, we are going to take an everyday salad and we're going to add one ingredient to it to make it something incredibly special and delicious, the likes of which you've never seen before. Have you ever heard that phrase?
The likes of which I've never seen before is tattooed.
No one we know ever uses that, right?
It's
Yeah.